Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. So today's video is going to be us testing out a ton of new drugstore products. You guys know I love my drugstore products, but also I wanted to give a shout out to Function of Beauty. Thank you for sponsoring this video. They are such an awesome company. Function of Beauty is a 100% customizable hair care company. They let you customize your shampoo and conditioner. These are mine that I customize. This is not my first time using a Function of Beauty. Last time I did the pink ones. This one is mint green, and I also chose the scent to be mint. I love mine so much. All you have to do is go on Function of Beauty's website and fill out a 2-minute quiz outlining your hair's wants, goals, needs. Then you also get to pick the color and the scent. Also, these have no parabens, no sulfates, no GMOs, no toxins in it, and they're 100% vegan and animal cruelty free. By the way, I just want to let you guys know, it's so cute. It says my name on the bottle. So my hair feels so healthy and long and not frizzy at all. Mine is very hydrating, nourishing to the hair, anti-frizz, stuff like that. They also have a hair mask that I love to use. I put it in my hair whenever I'm washing it. I do it like once a week and it makes my hair feel amazing. If you want to customize your own shampoo and conditioner, get 20% off by clicking the link in my bio below. All right guys, now let's go ahead and jump right into this video and get started with our drugstore makeup. Alright guys, so let's get started. I have so much to try out. It's definitely not all going to be able to go on my face today, but we'll try to do the best that we can. I have the Prime Plus from Revlon. They have 3 of them, and then I have 2 primers, so I have 5 primers. Imagine I just put them all over my face. So these are the Clean and Fresh line. This is transparent. This is so glitzy. I think I'll try one on one side of my face and the other on the other side. So with these, we have mattifying, brightening, and smoothing. I want to do smoothing. Or do I want to do brightening? Yeah, I'm going to do smoothing. I'm going to quit being crazy about it. This is what it looks like. I probably pumped too much for one. Oh, it feels so nice. But I probably pumped a little too much for one side of my face. This feels so smoothing. I don't know what it is. It's more like, not cooling, but just like, I don't know. It feels so good on my skin. I really like it. Then I'm going to take the CoverGirl Clean Fresh little stick. Now this one is in transparent. This is my first time using it. I'm just going to, ooh, this feels really cooling. Like this would be good for the under eye. Oh my gosh, this also smells so delicious. It smells familiar. What is that scent? I don't know. Maybe perfume? I don't know. Okay, now we have our face super primed. We're going to move on to foundation. And for foundation today, it was between the CoverGirl and Milani, and I went with the CoverGirl. I'm going to try out the Clean Fresh Silk Milk foundation. Now, the shade I have is medium tan. It might be a little bit off for me, but we're going to give it a go and try it out. And today I'm just going to be using the Tati Beauty. Yeah, she's going to be a little tan. Ooh, this feels rich. Like, I thought this was going to feel like a little thin BB cream, but it feels really rich on the skin. I will say it's definitely not full coverage, but they don't advertise it to be like super heavy coverage. So it says it blurs imperfections, even out your skin tone, is very sheer but buildable coverage, and it's instant hydration. It does feel very hydrating. And it is very sheer, but so far so good. Like so far I like it. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to concealer, and I am finally trying out for you guys. I mean, I promised you guys this so long ago, but this is the Hydrating Cameo Concealer from e.l.f. They're all stuck together because I got them in VR, and they're like stuck to the box, so I was like, I cannot get them apart. They're like, I don't know, driving me crazy. I'm going to try out light beige. Every time I use this concealer and the other one, the original one, it's way too light for me. I got to get a new one. But it just comes on this big doe foot applicator, and ooh, this color does look nice. It feels just as like heavy and like full coveragey thick as the other one. So I'm going to take this sponge. This one is by e.l.f. actually, and I just got it in PR as well. And then when I wet it, it feels so squishy whooshy, and I love that so much. Like, it is intensely squishy, so I think it's going to be pretty good. So soft. And I really like the shape of it too. I love the way this concealer is blending out with the sponge. Okay, I blended it out, and I absolutely love the way it looks. I feel a little hair. Okay, I love the way it looks. I'll definitely be wearing this more, and it does look loomy and like not too mattifying. So I feel like it has more of a natural appearance with this one versus the other one. So I actually, so far, I think I like this one better than the original, because I honestly, Like, I have some wrinkles right here, you can see in my under eye, and I don't like them being too matte. Okay, so I got the Halo setting powder from e.l.f. and it comes in like 3 different shades. This one is light, this one is dark, and then this one is medium. You guessed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the light one and set my under eye, but first I gotta get this little twisted thing off. Whew. So now I'm going to add, this powder looks good, by the way. It doesn't look so translucent-y, like it's going to flash back. It looks more like the Laura Mercier powder, if that makes sense. She's set. Okay, so for bronzer, I have new Morphe bronzers. These just came in. I have Originator and Mastermind. Ooh. They have 3 different shades. The Originator is the deeper one, and then Mastermind, I have not tried these, by the way, is the shade Light. So I'm going to go in with Mastermind and see what happens. So, oh, by the way, you can use code LauraLee and Morphe brushes. You guys are like, wow, really? We didn't know that. Okay. This is the M581 brush. It's just like a nice, big, poofy, round brush from Morphe. Oh my gosh, I think this one might be my shade, the lightest one. Because the other one did look a little warm. Yeah, this one is like so freaking pretty on. I like how big they are as well. You can just swivel your brush and really have a bronzer for a long time. I've been looking for like a new bronzer that's like, I don't know. I just get over makeup sometimes. I'm like, I want something new. So I've been looking for a new bronzer. And this is like it for me. I really like this one. I'm going to give this one a bunch of more goes, like off camera. Ooh, girl, she's bronzed. She's bronzed. Okay. Really liking the way my face looks. So we're going to keep this party moving. I got these awesome palettes from Essence. Essence is like one of the cheapest like brands at Ulta, if you didn't know that. They got some bomb stuff. You know, it's a little hit and miss, but they do got some bomb stuff. So there's 2 highlighter palettes, and then we have a bronzer palette. I just add my bronzer, but I gotta say this one does look really pretty, so maybe next time. And then for blush, I have this Physicians Formula Exterior Glamour Collab palette. Excuse me, Siri, no one said anything.
Sorry, I couldn't find what you were searching for.
Girl. This is what the palette looks like. My nail broke. Please do not focus in on that because I just hate it. Okay. Yeah, it looks like this. 4 eyeshadows, a highlighter, a blush. It looks like a lip pencil, and a perfume. Well, let me get this perfume out. I want to give it a sniff, and then we're going to go in with the blush shade, and we're going to try it out. Oh. It is so good. It is, do not use too much because it is like an actual perfume. It's not like a body spray. So it's really strong, but it smells very beautiful and like roses. I'm going to take an E4 brush and tap into our blush shade. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Wow, that's such a pretty like pink. It does have some shimmer in it, just a warning. You would think I could put my phone on silent. Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't know why. I think it kind of smells like roses. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, for highlighter palette, we definitely have to go into this Essence palette. I want to use this really pretty golden shade here. I mean, like these have a lot of pigment to them. They are, this is a lighter palette, but they look really pretty. So just taking that golden shade. Oh, wow. That is seriously so freaking pretty. That is so pretty. I'm like so into this. All right, I'm into it. I'm into it. I'm into it. I like it. I like it. Okay, for setting spray, I've been really excited to talk about this on my channel. I've talked about this twice on IG story, and I'm just so into it. This has been my favorite setting spray lately, and it does not take a lot of this whatsoever. This is the Luminous setting spray from Morphe. It's new. It just launched. And it's, I use the continuous setting spray all the time, but this one is even better to me. And the mister on it, so fine. I have a couple, it smells like coconuts, which is everything. But I do have a couple of Luminous setting sprays that is there a brush here? There was a brush here. I have a couple luminous setting sprays that I cannot use because they're just too loomy. And like, honestly, by the end of the day, my whole face looks wet. And I'm like, okay, we don't need to take it there. You know, we need to meet in the middle somewhere. And this does that for me. So I love it and I highly recommend it. Okay, I'm going to do my brows real quick. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade. This one is in Ash Brown. Alright guys, for eyeshadow palettes, oh my gosh, I'm like so torn. So I wanted to do the new Blush Crush palette, but it's already off the ColourPop site. I wanted to do this one. This is the Sailor Moon collaboration, and it's already off the site and sold out. So that leaves us with Bare Necessities, and this one I love, and I haven't really been able to use with it in stock, so I was going to use this palette today. But I also might incorporate some, y'all are like, more eyeshadow? But I also might incorporate some of the colors from this palette as well. So, oh my gosh, we have so many eyeshadows to try out. Okay, so I want to go in, this is really hard. I'm like, what color do I want to start with? I'm actually going to go in with this mauve-y, oh, she is so pigmented, shade right here. So I'm going to pop this into the crease. And this is an M456 brush. This is probably one of the smallest blenders this is an actual blender that Morphe has, and it's really great for detail work and stuff like this. Now I'm going to take a clean R39 and I'm just going to soften up the edges. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of concealer. This is a M421 brush, and I'm just going to carve out. I'm in the mood for just like a good old cut crease, so I'm going to carve it out. Now I'm going to go back into, or actually I'm going to get started with the Bare Necessities palette, and I'm going to take Full Expose, which is this cream shade right here. It's a matte, and I'm just going to pack it on right where I did the concealer. All right, what I'm going to do now is go into the red matte shade right here. And I'm going to use a Crown C510 brush. It's just like a short, dense brush. And I'm going to get the red shade. It's so pigmented, it looks like blood. That was weird that I just said that, but on the tip at the top of the brush. Tip at the top of the brush. And I'm just going to push it in the outer corner. I'm going to go back in with our smaller blender, and I'm just going to soften the edges with the first light peachy shade that we used. And now I'm just going back over the red to intensify that a little bit. And voila, that is our eye look for today. Actually, I'm going to take the lightest shade in this palette. This is Idle Hour right here, and I'm going to pop that on the brow bone and the inner corner. Okay, I'm going to do this eye, and I'll be right back. I'm back. Today I have the Bambi Eye Mascara from L'Oreal. This one is a newer one, and it has like a pokey brush, not like a bristly brush. So I'm going to give, ooh, I can literally feel it snatching my lashes. But I'm going to give it a go. I've been really impressed by drugstore mascaras, especially lately. I've found quite a few that I really enjoy. So this one seems to be pretty good. It seems to be spreading apart my lashes, which is important. Ooh, I do like it so far. Oh my god. Guys, why do I do this to myself? Gosh darn it. I'm gonna let that dry and I'll fix that in a minute. In the meantime, let's make a beauty mark out of my zit. Alrighty, for lashes, I'm so excited about these. These are the Salon Perfect Push-Up Lashes. We have a loose curl, a tight curl, and then a medium curl. For this look specifically, I kind of want to do this one, but honestly, I think I'm just going to use the medium curl, but the thing is, I really want to reuse these and not lose them, so I'm like, am I ready to use them? I think I am. What's great, though, is you get 2 pair per box. And these lashes are just as freaking gorgeous as I thought they would be. They look so pretty, so natural, and they're really lightweight. I'm obsessed. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and coat my lower lash line. This brush is like really big, so it does make it hard to coat the lower lashes. However, once it gets to the lashes, it works pretty good. Oh, I just made a mess. Lips are the only product that I really just don't have the new in, so today I'm going to be using my classic, my favorite lip combo that is very affordable. It is the Sweet Tea Lip Liner. This is from Morphe with the Maybelline Hot Sand Lipstick, and then sometimes I add just like a clear gloss on top. Okay, lastly, I'm just going to hit my makeup one more time with the Luminous Setting Spray. It smells so good. It smells so good. Alright guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys like down in the comment section down below. Let me name a couple of my favorite products. The Morphe bronzer, the setting spray from Morphe as well, and then the e.l.f. actually concealer and the loose powder was just like so freaking good. Like this combo right here is a bomb from e.l.f. I highly recommend it to you guys. Also the lashes like were one of my favorite parts. Like honestly, okay, oddly enough, I can't really tell a difference in my face with the primers. Like my face feels great, it looks great. I can't really tell a difference. I think it looks great. The foundation is so pretty on, like it almost looks full coverage, right? And then this palette, I really liked the eyeshadow shades. I mean, they blended to perfection. They're super pigmented. It's awesome. And then the ColourPop palette. So in this video, I don't have negativity. It's just good products. Even down to the sponge. I really, really, really love this sponge. I thought it was great. So many good things happening. This is amazing. Yes, drugstore, yes. You're doing it. You're killing it. Also, thank you to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check them out and use the discount code for 20% off in the description box down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys!